Welcome to Life Lesson 103. In this Life Lesson 103, I'm going to discuss about the rules for a good guest. What are the rules for a good guest? One of the important rules to understand: when you have been invited, make sure you make a response within 3 days. Within 3 days, please respond to your host if you are going to honor the invitation or not. And if due to some unforeseen circumstances you are not able to attend, make sure you inform your host in time so that you don't involve your host into unnecessary cost waiting for you, and then you cancel your meeting or you cancel the invitation the last minute. It's not good. It's not courteous. It's not good behavior in modern society. Then there is the aspect of showing up. What is expected time? One, never show up early. If your guest is expecting you at 1, don't be there at 12. You are going to inconvenience the person, because the person probably this time, when they had told you to come at 1, this is the time to make the arrangements. And you can imagine the embarrassment you cause your host when you are sitting there, when you are standing there, and they are trying to prepare the place to sit on. Make sure you don't appear early, but also the other side, don't appear more than 15 minutes late. If it is 1, don't appear at 1:15, 1:30. It is not accepted. Please, this is accepted rules, accepted etiquette behavior, which is very, very important to be observed. And this behavior is going to make even the attachments and the social bonding become strong if you observe them. Then there is the other aspect which you should observe, and this is, please avoid an unexpected entourage. What do I mean by unexpected entourage? When it comes to invitation, might it be wedding, might it be a housewarming party, or might it be whatever type of a party, it is very important to be careful about the invitation. Did the card invite you alone, or was it +1? When it is +1, it means that there is also another person. Was it +2? Is it +3? Always make sure you find out with your host if at all it is okay for you to come with +2 or +1 or +3. Don't embarrass your host with an unexpected entourage. And many times, some people have been guilty of that, and especially the relatives who say, after all, why don't you join me? I'm going to see a relative and there will be no problem. It's not the issue of a problem, it's not the issue of food, but please, there is expected behavior. Don't surprise your host by unexpected entourage. Then, for them, there is now the other aspect. There is the other aspect of cocktail. The aspect of cocktail. Remember, when you are attending a cocktail, the main purpose for cocktail, especially for those who are in the know of the business world, it is the aspect of knowing one another. That is the main aim of cocktail. And that is why cocktail, when you go to a cocktail, it is not expected that you are going to sit comfortably in your chair. No, it is done in such a way that whatever you are taking, you'll be able to be moving comfortably, holding your drink with your left hand, and then moving around, introducing yourself, and also discussing. But then you should always remember, if you have been invited in a cocktail, you should be there not more than 45 minutes. And you should be ready to spend more than 45 minutes, even if you have to take a bottle of soda or a cup of tea. Be prepared to be there at least 45 minutes. If you go there and in 10 minutes you are off, it just loses the whole meaning of cocktail. And then finally, one other best rule is the issue of the phone. Please make sure, unless you are involved in the national security of the country, it's important for you to put off your phone and also not put it on the table or other places. Please make sure that you respect the environment. Thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope you have enjoyed these rules of life, from rule of life number 100 to rule of life number 104. Thank you very much. For those who have not subscribed, I would encourage you subscribe so that you get more on the rules of life. Thank you. Have a great day.